Hey guys, coming to you live from Skating Fun Zone. Just want to talk to you guys about marching. Now, if you're a beginner skater or have never skated before, these are the first steps you're going to learn. When you do marching, you want to make sure that your hands are out on that table to give you balance. And we're going to practice just lifting all four wheels up, all four wheels down, all four wheels up, all four wheels down. Now, it's important that you're lifting all four wheels up, all four wheels down. We don't want to be pushing off our toes because we're not going to get anywhere. The key here is balance, establishing that balance from one foot to the other. Don't worry about the speed. Worry about the balance, being able to balance from one foot to the other. Now make sure, if you're first learning this, try it on the carpet. So if you're doing this for the first time, try it on the carpet because it rolls slower. Once you get the hang of it and you get the feel for it, then try it on the floor. But for this point, and at this time, you're just going to work on marching, picking all four wheels up, all four wheels down, all four wheels up, all four wheels down. Maybe practice a couple where you're just holding it. Hold it. Hold it. All right, guys. That's all I got for you about marching. Catch you later. You want to learn how to roller skate? Well, visit us at skatingfunzone.com where you can register for our classes. Also, we got private lessons as well. Don't forget to follow us on our social media.